It's a Wednesday today, and I have a lot of things that I have to do that are lined up. I'm continuously like busy, so I just thought थोड़ा बहुत vlog भी कर लेना चाहिए. I just shot for this one dream brand deal that I've got. Basically, I have been getting a few promotions here and there, so I've been busy with my office, with shooting content, editing it. Let me tell you, it's really hectic. So whoever says it's really easy to do, it's not. It takes a lot of time and effort to shoot a video, to have your presence online where you have access to so many people across the world. So to make a place there, to just start also with something, that also takes a lot of courage. So I've just been like really busy. I'm really glad that I'm this busy because this is one of my passion, and I really love doing what I do here on YouTube or on Instagram. So I love that. So yeah, I've just completed one shoot, which by the way is another story. So I shot something today which I shot exactly this makeup look yesterday also, and for some reason all the content that I shot is lost now, and I'm not able to recover what I shot. So I had to really like gather up the strength to do it all over again. Now I know that I need to have a lot of backup in place. I shot the content again today with the same makeup look, same outfit, everything. Yeah, I have to shoot two more videos, which is going to be this one, this vlog that I'm shooting. I'll also put in a West Side haul. So I bought a bunch of stuff from West Side, and I love their collection this time. So not always you will find good clothing in West Side. So this time I found a lot of pieces which were really great and at a great price too. So I'll be showing you what I got, and also I'll be shooting for another Instagram paid collaboration. So yeah, stay tuned, hang with me, and I'll just take you through my day. I just had some lunch. I'm going to work for my office for some time. थोड़ी देर में मुझे एक रील शूट करना है. उसके लिए आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर दैट परफेक्ट गोल्डन आवर. तो उसी टाइम पे मैं वो वीडियो शूट कर पाऊंगी. तो अभी 4:30 होने वाले. आई थिंक आई विल वर्क फॉर अनदर हाफ एन आवर. आई हैव टू चेंज. ऑल्सो आई हैव अ फ्यू थिंग्स आई जस्ट वांट टू शो you, which I got from Westside, as I told you guys earlier. So let's start with the haul. Trendy jewelry. I would either get it from H&M or from Westside because उनका क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छा है. H&M से मैंने ये नोटिस किया है कि ज्वेलरी बहुत जल्दी ब्लैक हो जाती है. Like you have to take really good care of them. Maybe I'm not taking really good care of my rings. Okay, उससे याद आया, I have something to show you which you can organize your jewelry in, and it will be like looking perfect. So let me show you that. This is the jewelry box that I got from Amazon. Color कितना सुंदर है, and it's of really good quality. So it's heavy duty. It's not your like it's not going to break that easily. So this is a very sturdy and spacious jewelry organizer, and I love the color. I love the velvet texture. Let me know if you like it too, and I'll make sure to add the link in the description box for this one. So ये ऐसे खुलता है. इसके अंदर you can keep all your necklaces, and here you can put all your rings. You can add your large earrings. Like this is a very nice piece that I have, so this is huge, so it will fit easily in this one also. All the studs I can put in here, and then you have some space here as well, and you can open it and put some more jewelry here. So mostly like all the different hoops that I have, I will just keep in this one. And this is a very cool hoop that I got. This was also from West Side actually, and these were also gifted by my best friend. So these are also really precious. It's so dainty and beautiful looking, right? And then I can just close it, and this whole thing we can pull off. सो ये ऐसे पूरा खुल जाता है एंड इसके नीचे यू हैव मोर स्पेस। अभी मेरी सारी ज्वेलरी बाहर है बिकॉज आई वेंट टू बैंगलोर एंड उसके बाद आई एम येट टू अनपैक द ज्वेलरी इन द बॉक्स अगेन। तो यहाँ पे भी स्पेस है एंड देन वी कैन पुट इट बैक एंड देन द क्यूटेस्ट पार्ट इज इसमें ड्रॉर्स भी है छोटे छोटे। सो दिस इज लाइक अ ड्रॉर organizer, and again we can keep your pendants, your neck pieces here, and then you can put in so many of your earrings. This is also one of my favorite. This I got from a local store or something. And then this is a really nice piece that I have. Actually, I have a lot of jewelry that I have not worn yet because I feel like I don't have the perfect outfit for it. That's why. So this is also really beautiful and pretty necklace. There has to be some perfect occasion so that I can wear this. So ये मुझे मम्मी ने गिफ्ट किया था जब मम्मी पुणे आई थी. Since then I haven't worn it. This is from Pink Castle. This is from a local store actually. And this neck piece, if I'm not wrong, I got it from Zara. So this is also a really chunky piece that I can easily put in, and you get so much space to organize your jewelry beautifully in this organizer, and you don't have to worry about them getting broken or things like that. So yeah, I love this. Okay, anyway, we went off the topic a lot. I'll just quickly show you what all I got from Westside. So first is this jewelry I got from Westside, and this was for 399, but I love the style of this neck piece and it is looking really beautiful, right? So this was the first purchase. Next I got this gold plated bracelet and it's super easy to wear. When you're wearing all gold earrings or neck piece, you can style it with this gold bracelet and it will look good on pretty much everything. So you can wear it with Indian also, you can wear it with Western, even your dresses, jeans, you can style it in so many ways. So I love this. Next is again some earrings. So these are your stones, multi-stones earrings, and I feel like this is the perfect size. It's really easy to wear. It's not that heavy to wear also. So I love it. You see how beautiful it is looking? I can't wait to style them and I can wear it with almost all of my outfits. So I love that. और मैं एक दो चीज़ें और लाई थी. तो like I got this tank top. This is from Westside, very basic white tank top. I got this because I was feeling like I was missing a few of the basics in my wardrobe. I knew I needed this. Since the time I've got it, I've worn it so many times. So I love the comfort of this. और ये बहुत सारे colors में भी था. So I'm definitely going to get more of these now that I know that it's so comfortable to wear. Really felt like I was missing some of the basics in my wardrobe because कभी वो राइट ट्राउजर्स नहीं है, कभी वो राइट टॉप नहीं है. सो नाउ यू नो दैट आई लव दिस पर्टिकुलर टैंक टॉप. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज अ really pretty dress that I got. I usually, like, I'm very picky with my shopping. So if I like something in the first go, only then I'm going to 100% buy it. Otherwise I might not just care enough to get it also. So ये मुझे देखते ही पसंद आ गया था और इसका इतना प्रिटी कलर है. इट्स रेड, इट हैज स्ट्रिप्स. आई लव कि इसमें बो की डिटेलिंग भी है एंड इट फिट्स लाइक अ ड्रीम एक्चुअली. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ the dresses that I got. I love how pretty it was looking on me. I love the color, love the fit, and it is very comfortable to wear also. I want to look cute and stylish, but let's not forget the comfort. नेक्स्ट वाला आउटफिट मुझे देखते ही पसंद आ गया था जब मैंने उसका फैब्रिक देखा. देन आई न्यू ये तो लेना ही है, ये मुझ पे अच्छा ही लगने वाला है. आई हैव टू गेट इट. बेसिकली दिस इज अ डेनिम मैक्सी ड्रेस. आई लव दिस ड्रेस इमीडिएटली बिकॉज फर्स्टली ये डेनिम है, इसकी क्वालिटी इतनी अच्छी है और ये जब मैंने पहना इट लुक्ड सो ब्यूटीफुल ऑन मी. आई फेल लाइक आई वाज माय बेस्ट सेल्फ वेयरिंग दिस. सो दिस वन इज लाइक 10 on 10 फॉर मी. बट डू लेट मी नो आपको इन सारी पीसेज में से सबसे ज्यादा कौन सा पसंद आया. बट मेरे लिए मेरा ये फेवरेट ही था. बाकी भी मेरे फेवरेट्स है बट ये मुझे बहुत पसंद आया था. सो बेसिकली ये डेनिम ड्रेस है और इसके जो यहाँ पे डिटेलिंग है, लाइक दिस गोल्ड बेल्ट एंड दिस गोल्ड ब्यूटीफुल बटन्स हियर, एवरीथिंग मेक्स इट सो एलिगेंट एंड प्रिटी टू वेयर. सो दिस वन लाइक इज अ फुल लेंथ maxi dress. I absolutely love this and I'm going to be wearing it very soon and I can't wait to style all of this. So I'm very happy with the purchase that I did from Westside this time. If you liked any of the things that I got from Westside, please मुझे बताओ comments में. में। सो दिस वॉज एवरीथिंग आई गॉट फ्रॉम वेस्ट साइड। अभी मैं थोड़ा काम करूंगी, उसके बाद में मे बी मैं एक दो वीडियो शूट कर लूंगी, बिकॉज अब टाइम भी जाते जा रहा है, तो आई हैव टू हरी अप एंड आई हैव सम डिलीवरेबल्स ऑल्सो इन द ऑफिस. So I'll complete this and I'll complete that and I'll be back. Also, let me know how you like my makeup today, because I personally love it. The skin is super glowy, intact. Like, I love the glow that I have, and I'm wearing this very easy eye makeup. So मैंने वेस्ट साइड का स्टूडियो वेस्ट से नेल पेंट ट्राई किया है एंड आई ट्राइड अ बिट ऑफ थिंग्स हियर एंड देयर, और लिपस्टिक भी ट्राई किया है, तो ये मुझे लिप शेड बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. एंड दिस इज व्हाट लाइक आई एम वेयरिंग टुडे आल्सो. So this is the shade Days, and it's the Studio West lip color in the shade Days. So this is with lipstick. It is super comfortable, and मैंने बहुत सारे ऐसे brands की भी lipstick try. They are known brands and for makeup specially, but they make the horrible most drying liquid lipsticks ever. But they have really like nailed the formula. It is not super drying. अगर आपने थोड़ा बहुत भी lips को moisturize किया है थोड़ी देर, उसके बाद आप ये lipstick लगाओगे, तो it will not feel super drying, और ये बहुत long lasting है. This is something which I love, and this was only for 200-300 rupees only. So now it's almost 8 p.m. and I'm done with my most of the office work, and I've also shot the videos, so I'm feeling really good because I was productive all the day. अभी मैं बस makeup remove करने वाली हूँ, उसके बाद I have some mails to check into, and after that I'll just chill. So that was all the vlog for today, and I hope that you enjoyed watching me just manage through the day. If you like my video, make sure to thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you like my videos, and subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Bye.